In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text effects in Canva. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to delete the image that I have in my project. And now what I'm going to do is add some text to the project. I'm just going to write some random words. And now what I'm going to do is collapse this panel on the left so that we have some space. And let's add some effects to our text. So once you have selected your text element, all you need to do is click effects at the top just here. And then you will see all of the different effects that are available to you. So we have shadow, lift, hollow, splice, echo, glitch, neon, and finally we have curve. As well as having these text effects available for you to use, you can also customize them. So for example, if I click onto splice, I can customize the thickness, the offset, the direction, and finally I can also customize the color. I must say I've made a pretty cool effect right here. This does look pretty cool indeed. So there we go, that is how you use effects in Canva. It is a really awesome feature that is available, and I highly recommend trying out these text effects for yourself. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.